face, your sunny, funny face. For you're a cutie with more than beauty. You got a lot of personality, and you fill the air with smiles. For miles and miles and miles, though you're no Mona Lisa, for worlds I'd not replace your sunny, funny face.